Imagine you want to build a skyscraper. You dig a foundation and then you build up, brick by brick, towards the sky. That is how humans have built everything for thousands of years, from the pyramids to the Burj Khalifa. But there is one building on Earth that breaks every rule of engineering. It wasn't built up. It was carved down. This is the Kailasa Temple in Ellora, India. It is the largest monolithic structure on the planet. And the deeper you look, the more impossible it becomes. To understand the madness of this project, look at the numbers. This isn't a cave. It is a freestanding, multi-story temple complex, twice the size of the Parthenon in Athens. But here is the catch. No rocks were brought here. No stones were stacked. Ancient engineers started with a single solid mountain of volcanic basalt rock and simply removed everything that wasn't a temple. They excavated over 400,000 tons of rock. That's the weight of the Empire State Building. And they did it all with nothing but hammers and chisels. The engineering required for this is terrifying. Because they carved it from the top down, there was zero margin for error. If a sculptor made a mistake on the roof, they couldn't just replace the stone. The entire mountain would be ruined. They had to plan the roof, the pillars, the secret passages, and the intricate statues of the ground floor before they had even dug the first hole at the top. It required a 3D blueprint perfect to the millimeter, executed blindly through solid rock. Mainstream archaeology says it was built by King Krishna I in the 8th century, taking about 18 years. But modern engineers struggle to accept this. To remove 400,000 tons of rock in 18 years, working 12 hours a day, workers would have to remove 5 tons of rock every single hour without breaks for 2 decades. And that doesn't even include the time to carve the intricate art. Some believe it must have taken centuries. Others suggest lost ancient technology. The truth is, we still don't fully understand how they moved that much rock so fast. And it's not just a brute force excavation. It's a masterpiece of architecture. The temple has bridges connecting different towers. Bridges that were, remember, carved out of the original rock, not built. They included complex rainwater harvesting systems and drainage channels that keep the temple dry even during monsoons. Engineering that rivals modern city planning. Why go to such extreme lengths? Legend says a queen vowed not to eat until she saw the shikara, the top of the temple, to save her husband. So, the architects carved from the top down to reveal the roof in just a week, saving the king. Whether it was for love, religion, or to prove the impossible, the result is eternal. The Kailasa Temple stands as the ultimate proof of human determination. It is a mountain transformed into a miracle, a reminder that sometimes the only way to build the impossible is to start from the top. What do you think? Was this built with chisels or something more advanced? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to uncover more of the world's hidden wonders, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.